MC lost his father at a young age just when he and his little were starting to grow up. His mother, ever the optimist, told him to become a shaman, basically saying, "Hey kid, why don't you talk to your dad since your dad's already there?" She said, probably thinking that he will get some career advice from his dad there. So he was forced into the path of religion when all he wanted was a normal life, or at least one that did not involve chanting to spirits and focused on his studies. But when it was finally time to step into the society, he got hit by a traffic accident. Talk about failing life 101. Turned out though he got reborn, and wouldn't you know it, his mom's prediction were right. So yeah, even in another life's mom nakings always win. Now OMC is teaching students, but somehow he ended up moonlighting as undercover agent because why settle for a boring job when you can jiggle secrets identity. One day he is on a train hoping for a quiet trip with his roommate, a professor from Sweden Academy. But of course life cannot let him have that, so terrorists attack the train. Because of course why not ruin a perfectly shitty day. The professor, who was also a make, take down the terrorist and tries to integrate him, but the guy's got worse luck than a black cat at a dog pound. The terrorist has a time bomb strapped to him, and the professor ends up decorating the train walls with his remains. Meanwhile, OMC is using human face mask to hide his identity, but it gets damages in the blast. The mask come off and there is ridiculously handsome face. He got a face too good for witness protection. Now everyone seen the face of a wanted McNary. At that point, he does what anyone would do in his shoes: kill everyone who saw his face. Problem solved, because why not add mass murder to your day when you are already running from the law? After that, God shows up and start integrating everyone. Now MC is at the edge of cliff because he voted as an old man to hide his identity, and now with his mask damage, he is no longer even close looking to like an old man. Lucky for him, the dead professor looks a lot like him, and that's how he end up taking professor identity. That name's Logan. But that's where the spoiler starts, so you have to read the rest of yourself, because why spoil a perfectly good train wreck of a story when you can watch it crash in real life. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more updates.